first floor omo bridgema ya jo matum because omejuma na omo ye ne ade ahonte eboa mane makoye ma Vodafone made for me my cancer dey here and is all 1 Ghana city credit now work akrada so all that's why no pa da star 530 hash star 530 hash uramusa you want share PPA to me ma Vodafone made for me Vodafone M for M na MZ network ba ko use enu ye ho da ba omejuma bi omo ye bia no eda mu krogen ye Vodafone omejuma omo bone ya ade ano edin para made for me no your 1 CD 10 pesos and your 1 gig for 24 hours 5 CD 50 pesos and your 5 gig for 24 hours 10 CD 10 pesos your bema 7 gig for 3 solid days Vodafone kwana nya Vodafone further together na boa nanema de din so era ma parativo no na call it beaters pa na we sum bia wo bia no utimi numbi makase baby girls no we ye de mamo abamani nduaba na de entibo so me so a flow ne ba kama nyankoko no ba ko ni bi ade nche na akwa na hwe oba bi eze ha dwen faji apparativo na emboa wo ye panyi enfie na ko enimu kakra fa apparativo ni yo nsuo bi diabetes na wo kidney mu hawa ebre na yi erefi o kama peda ma ye de man kwada omefu na ekese mframa na agina mu ebe isa ha no etimi de fi na panyu didi wie na abo hyehyew a eno so ebe na isa ha no etimi de fi oko supermarket drinking bar dia obomode no anya bi pedodo na to a Airframe Masters Company Limited Obasanjo Road on Beda Crack Gas SHS no omana mane 050 5536 050 5536 na 024 573 4952 024 573 4952 na 055 3947 447 akomere na ruma 055-394-7447 na 054-338-5271 yembwa na ne mandeda din so enfama nti o madaroma ye ram di nkoma na Charles Kweku Asampo ma na ye be smart terrible Taylor abomode di nkoma akra on Ghana ye game lose against Morocco no ozebo na ahase no hwe ya pe eno uza de ne be ka say no de 72 ja
because me ye start the game na 5 minutes na me ka say ye dia gba Morocco for which match be play because you did one bit match because now you go on and just a result.
Tia baba na ya babi ti Charles Kweku Asampo ba na be smart terrible Taylor na ne komo no de awazo rom na din komo bra coach Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko Karela United omo coach any coach in komo bra oba pename so mare se menya kwa ram Morocco na me ne bishop din komo me Morocco anti din komo no bra mami jamu mana kobra
Coach Ibrahim Tanko, good morning and welcome to Sompa 93.1 and Sompa TV.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Well, Coach, can you please speak up a bit for me?
Yeah, I'm speaking up. You are not speaking up, brother.
That's interesting. Coach, so this morning we want to find out from you how the season with Karela went. Now, first of all, how difficult was the decision to come and pick up a team in mid-season?
It was really a difficult task, but experienced as I am, I'll be able to manage it to a successful end.
Now, when you pick up the team was struggling a bit. What were some of the challenges you confronted in executing your relegation that you found yourself in, your escape of relegation?
First of all, I will attribute it to so many factors, except that I can only mention maybe one or two. There was this challenge of discipline in the team, and then as I am, I was able to stabilize the team in that regard, and then I have to change the training regimen. Yes, the way things were going, I have to come and bring my expertise on board in order that things will change. I have to work extremely hard with the players. Of course, I could not do it without the support of the players. So that was it. I spoke with them, meaningfully, for them to understand what we are looking for, as where we are lying was not good. So I was always emphasizing on it. For the players to really, appreciate it and then make rules regarding that.
For the purposes of education, will you please espouse on what you meant by the measures
which we got from?
It's also very crucial, but I thought that your players could have won that game, but they were more comfortable resorting to a draw?
Yes, Adriana's match was something that really appeased rather Midiama, because if we have lost that match, I mean, it could have paved the way for Adriana to win the league. So that was the turning point for Midiama. Because if we have lost that match, the gap would have opened. So we narrowed the gap between them, and then listen. Even though we got a point from there, which really helped us as well, but the Kotoko match was a crucial match for us.
Now you got to a stage where you were left with 2 games: Bibiani Gold Stars and that of Kotoko Royals. How was the preparation like going into these 2 crucial games, knowing very well that your survival in the league was dependent on these games?
Yes, first and foremost, what I did was, I prepared the players psychologically. Indicating to them that these 2 matches were crucial to us, apart from we playing, drawing with Kotowa, which really elevated us up. But that these 2 matches, if we are able to win it, we will scale through without any difficulty or any challenge anywhere. So I kept speaking with them regarding that and all that, and then preparing them psychologically before those matches.
What lessons will you say you've learned in these difficult times with Karela, going to next season that will propel the team to perform better?
The lesson that I envisage and will be that we shouldn't wait for last minute to put things right. It's always difficult to do things at the last hour. You could succeed or you fail. So why not choose one option? In order to succeed, you do the right thing from the onset, so that you wouldn't find yourself in this sort of mess. So I'll put it.
What areas of your team do you want to strengthen, and what are you doing so far about those steps are you taking?
Yes. I've given out a list of players that I'll need to augment the team. At least 7 players will make it. Because, like I said, the players weren't bad, except that we'll need to infuse so that we'll have a strong bench. If we are bringing out a player, we know the one who is going is equally as good as the one who is on the field. So that in that vein, we'll have serious competition. Yes.
Okay, Coach Ibrahim Tanko, thank you very much for your time, and
welcome.
We'll stay in touch.
I'm always at your service.
Once again.
Part of the squad. It's your band, say, yeah, you bizarre on say, a game against Guinea, no one is saying, Ghana, Niamabeko Yere Man, say, no, so Yano.
Question here, you for I share India. What do you share on your own audio on Smith Mabba show? Yeah, oh, I was here. Why you don't want to mean now?
Eltia no ye komo bomo de tu judges here de bia ye pena ye calculations ni ade na mama me anope on FC Samates nkoma mo ebomo de di ye wo mo tera hand ho na nkoma mo di on coach Anowoka ni nyina ne so mo ebomo de abeki ano para me baba bro so a etimi ye de mountain no Samates 1996 FC club notice the management of FC Samates and coach Anowoka have agreed to part ways on a mutual grounds, and we thank Mr. Ano for his service and wish him well in his future endeavors. In the coming days, we shall provide information on the future direction of Niger the club. And I need to supposed to break his age man on you in the other. But I was also for who come up with 2 just say a like result.